Good afternoon. Thank you to the organisers for this opportunity to talk to you about what's current in poplar breeding in New Zealand. My name is Ian McIvor. I work for Plant and Food Research based in Palmerston North and have been involved with poplar breeding since 2001. The poplar breeding program started in Palmerston North under the leadership of Chris van Kraenoord back in the 1960s, and it was within the activities of the then Ministry of Works, with a focus on breeding poplars for New Zealand conditions and purposes, particularly around soil stabilisation. So we create new varieties to meet various needs. I've already emphasised soil stabilisation, particularly on farmland, but also for shelter belts, for shade, carbon credits, pest and disease resistance, drought fodder, aesthetics, wood products. And of course, we want to bring more genetic diversity into New Zealand's population. 90% of New Zealand poplars being planted currently are just 3 clones. We breed with the pure species or hybrid material we have in New Zealand from earlier imports. You can see the graph shows you where the majority of those imports were made back in the 1970s. Budget constraints are the primary barrier to importing seedlots or hybrid material. However, since 2000, we have sent New Zealand bred clonal material to a number of other countries, and we network with other member countries of the International Poplar Commission. So importation of seeds and clonal material has not been totally discounted in future. A number of poplar clones are marketed commercially. They cater for a range of climates and uses. Information on these are on the website poplarandwillow.co.nz. We have a number of novel or new hybrid poplars in trials at the moment. You can see there are 6, 12 and 16 different poplar clones. The wide space trials are on sloped farmland in different regions and in different climates. Spacings are 10 metres by 10 metres generally. Shelter belt trials are on pastoral or horticultural land. Spacings are 2 metres and 4 metres. Our prune trial trees, of course, provide useful fodder for the stock on the farm. Related hybrids, i.e. the same species parents to ones that we are evaluating here, are grown for timber and wood products internationally. Poplar wood industries operate in many countries of the world, both in the Americas, in Asia, and in Europe. And of course, there are opportunities for poplar wood use in New Zealand. These photos show a number of applications with battens, gates and timber, all milled from trees originally grown for soil stabilisation. Close planted trials, often Van Nelder pattern, are used to assess timber potential of poplars at a range of densities. The example given here for 18-year-old Kawa poplar shows that DBHs are close to 50 centimetres for medium densities at this age. We have 16 poplar clones in a poplar demonstration trial on State Highway 1 south of Taihape. This is an opportunity to readily compare them, their form and their growth rate. The demonstration is unique in New Zealand. It will become an important resource in future. One of the risks, of course, and this is true for a lot of our on-farm trials, is that they're on private land. And if that land is sold, the new owner may not be as sympathetic to hosting a trial as the current owner. Well, that brings me to the end of this short presentation. Thank you.